Who doesn't want to make more money from home on their own time? Millions are already doing this, building careers without stepping foot in an office. We're diving into 10 proven ways to make money online. Stick around to the end for the best method for generating passive income. So, let's jump right in. First up, we're talking about freelancing. Freelancing lets you leverage your skills to make money online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Instead of saying I'm a writer, say I write SEO-optimized blog posts for tech startups. Remember, you're offering a solution, not just a service. Now let's talk about passive income, the holy grail of making money online. One of the best ways to achieve it is by selling digital products. Create the product once and it generates income repeatedly. Ebooks, printables, Canva templates, digital planners, just a few examples. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy to set up shop and start selling. Next up, we're diving into the world of YouTube. You might think you need fancy equipment and editing skills, but honestly, all you need is your phone and a story. YouTube is great for sharing passions and monetizing content. Earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success is finding a profitable niche. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Get paid to recommend. Recommend products you love and get paid a commission when someone buys through your unique link. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, or explore networks like ClickBank and ShareASale. Partner with a company like Bluehost and earn over $100 per referral. Chapter 5. Blogging, your words, your traffic, your income. A well-written blog can generate passive income through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Platforms like WordPress and Medium make it easy. Focus on SEO, search engine optimization. Chapter 6. Streaming, turn your passion for gaming into profit. Streaming on platforms like Twitch and YouTube gaming has exploded in popularity. Earn money through ads, donations, sponsorships, and partnering with game developers. Building a community is key. Chapter 7. Print on demand. Design. Once, sell forever. With print on demand, create and sell unique designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle printing, shipping, customer service. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income and flex your creativity. Chapter 8. Online courses. Share your knowledge, build your empire. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have valuable knowledge to share? Creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to success. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to reach a global audience. Create the course once and generate passive income for years. Chapter 9. Social media, from follower to influencer. Social media monetization is real. You don't need millions of followers to start earning. With a small, engaged following, leverage Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter for sponsored posts, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. Micro-influencers with under 100,000 followers are in high demand. Chapter 10. Remote jobs, your skills, your schedule, your freedom. Companies are embracing remote work, offering countless opportunities. Websites like Upwork, Remote.co, and We Work Remotely list thousands of remote job openings across various industries. Remote work offers the flexibility and freedom of working from home while earning a steady income. Outro. Start your online income journey today, so there you have it. 10 proven ways to start making money online from home. Whether you want extra cash or a full-time income, there's an option for you. The key is to take action. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more on building wealth. Check the description below for free resources to start your online income journey today.